Yeah, sorry, what I was gonna say as well was that like if you see or that you hear us saying that we need a puddle in the middle, then you can just go in and put one more oil puddle, because that means that we need to have like a bigger wall in the middle of oils. Stuck on blue. Everyone stuck on blue. Aussie. Bikers. Try to position yourself so you only saw one puddle now, so people can see which ones isn't. Like we need one more here, probably. Oh no, me always have.
Hope so.
How many puddles do we get?
You get 2 from each bike.
Relax.
Should be red, Robin. So you'll be the
Yes.
CC.
Hope so. Hope so.
In these, try to get 2 more in.
Relax. Hope so. Blame on me. Hope so. Change.
And we lost. Adding the far back to the right. Interrupts. We're gonna get that other rat coming from the left now. We can just keep those out running in, just pump the boss. Cool. Try to clear as much as you can on this side of the room now if you get fired off. Need to stack around blue if we can.
We're getting fire. My counter is stuck. I don't know if you expect. Now.
Fire coming now. Oh, one bike came really far out. So. More soaked. And whoever gets this fire debuffs, make sure that you clear a lot on this side now. So.
Oh!
We need one more bike in.
Make sure you put it in one of these two. Just be sure that we get one, so we don't split.
Yep. And we have our mission. coming now.
You can grip that big ad away for Typhoon as well.
Perfect, one more time. Try to clear the oil under the boss whenever you get to do that. Everyone stack up around where Ossie is now, like on this side.
On you. Watch your feet.
Be careful when you're coming back as well, because the oil does drop on people just dropping it off.
Watch your flanks.
We get fire debuff now under the boss and on this side. And we are soaked.
Target you. Kill ads.
I stand a little too close. You stare a little too long.
There we got all of them, I think.
Every time you and I
Tillbaka till the rest.
Flame on you.
up in the air.
Flame on you.
Like the
Watch your
smoke
feet.
from your lips.
So we do soaks and we send them to the boss.
You find words when I'm chasing your kiss. I can
We have one more.
taste, I can taste it in my mind all the time. Can't erase it. What I do for a shot of your love, I have.
And we need to send one more. So
You on the tip
kill ads now.
On you. Watch your feet.
Put it into the one that has 1 out of 2 if you can. And they got
Watch your
first.
feet. Kill ads. Phase change.
Okay, so last animation, we CC the ad, we use every defensive and everything we have if we need. Oh, that was not a nice spawn for that one. Now we just kill the boss. Mind the bikers.
Watch your feet.
Imagine if you would have reset it now, like in
GG.